Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload HTML file to WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, open your hosting cPanel and then click on File Manager, and then I'm going to upload HTML file inside of my this subdomain folder. So I'm opening my subdomain folder and now clicking on upload. Select file and make sure your HTML files is in GIF format. So I'm going to select this, open. Now clicking on go back to home, and here you can see HTML file has been uploaded. Now select this and click on extract files, and I'm going to open this file and select all, move files, and now you can delete the GIF file. So this is how we can upload HTML file to WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.